Hi everyone, welcome back to Lash Therapy. My name is Maria, and in this video I am going to be laminating my eyebrows. I recently laminated my boyfriend's eyebrows and they turned out really good, so that inspired me to do my own, and I'm crossing my fingers hoping that it comes out good for me. He has a lot of eyebrow hair, so I don't, and I'm hoping that doesn't really be a negative because of that. So I'm pretty sure it's probably easier on people who have more eyebrow hair. I fill my eyebrows in because I like them full, but hopefully this lamination does the trick for me. So before I do jump into this video, I want to make a quick disclaimer. If you're not a beauty professional, please do not use these products. Use these products with caution if you do choose to. And without further ado, let's jump into this video. Here is what my eyebrows look like before I do the lamination lift and before I remove the makeup. Next, I'm going to show you what my eyebrows look like with my makeup off, and then I'm going to show you just a video of me laminating my eyebrows. As you can see that this eyebrow is lifted, this eyebrow is not. I'm surprised that I even have this much eyebrows. It looks a lot fuller. It looks actually pretty cool for the most part. I think that it also kind of makes my eyebrow thicker in a way compared to this one. I'm also going to shape them a little bit and cut them so they don't look as crazy. But this kind of looks pretty cool. I actually thought that this was turning out better than I expected. So I'm super excited to see the outcome on both eyebrows afterwards, and then we will see how it looks after I'm finished. There's gonna probably be sections where you thought you lifted, but then they kind of start to fall down. So I just kind of wanted to give you a little tip that it's okay to reapply the glue on your eyebrow and just kind of keep lifting it until everything is fully lifted on both sides. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in on this side because I want this to kind of be symmetrical with this eyebrow. I feel like this one's not as lifted. So I'm just gonna go back in with the glue and lift them even more.
Sweet Rosie, you carry me through every storm. Sweet Rosie,
Okay, so I finished lifting them. I think for the most part, they actually look pretty full. I wasn't expecting them to look as full. They look really wild and lifted, not what I'm used to, so I don't know how I feel about them so far, but I'm gonna do my best to shape them, and then at the end we'll see how they look and turn out.
I'm your Paris, you're my Helen, yeah, we safe in Troy. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. Rosie, sweet Rosie, you carry
I have the perming solution on. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes, and just to kind of fair warn you, the perming solution does not smell the best. So it does smell like a rotten egg, but hopefully this is worth it for the smell of it. I'm going to saran wrap my eyebrows and put the timer on. And then after this, I'm going to remove the solution, and I'm going to put on the next solution for about the same time.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to remove the saran wrap, and then I'm going to remove the perming solution with a baby wipe. And then I'm going to put in the second solution, which is the fixation solution, which I'll show you in a second. Now I'm going to add the perming solution. So to saran wrap my eyebrows the same like I did for when I put the perming solution on, and I'm going to leave this on for about the same amount of time, 10 minutes, and then do step 3 after.
One eternity later.
To add the Nourishing solution. Alright everyone, this is the end of the video on how I laminated my eyebrows. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Please comment down below what you all think on how they turned out, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content. I'll also leave in the description box down below the kit that I used, and I will see you all next time.